Good. Well, yeah, I'm not editing this out because there is no such thing as good morning, but morning. How is everybody doing? Hope you guys are doing good. And I am on my way to the house right now. So today's gonna be a good day.
Hey, it's Do It to Wit here. If you're gonna hate, don't participate. Welcome to today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Hello.
Pre-registered?
Possibly. I don't know. I've fallen.
You just with them?
Yeah.
Okay, let me find out.
Glad you guys make it.
I'm glad I did make it. And I do want to thank you for watching today's video, liking, sharing, subscribing, and commenting on today's video. So you guys are the true MVPs.